Great, just great. That stupid little piece of dung with its stupid golden hands is getting on my nerves, because I cause trouble all the time. Midas is the one who gets grounded, not me.
Here is your lumpy potatoes. This is your punishment for causing trouble across the land of Vyond. And by the way, after you eat your lumpy potatoes, go back to sleep for school tomorrow.
Oh my God. Not lumpy potatoes again. That is it. I am going to put lumpy potatoes under my bed. There. All lumpy potatoes are under my bed. Now let's go to sleep.
Time for school, Shadow Midas.
Uh-oh. I am going to school. Gotta go, Midas.
Huh. Good luck with that.
Hello students, it is I, Miss Maven. Today we will be doing a math test, so take out your math books.
Ugh. Math tests are so boring. What can I do to get out of my nightmare? I know, I will pull the fire alarm, but first I better tell Miss Maven to go use the bathroom. Excuse me, Miss Maven, can I use the bathroom?
Alright Shadow Midas, but please come back for less than 10 minutes.
Yippee, thank you so much.
Ugh. Whatever you say, Shadow Midas.
Alright. It's time to take out the action. Okay. Here goes nothing.
Class, stop studying and line up to the door.
Miss Maven, I need to tell you something. Who caused the evacuation?
I do not know, Hugh. Oh, there you are, Shadow Midas. I thought you was lost. Wait. Is that you just pulled the fire alarm for no reason? Tell me right now.
Yes. I did.
Shadow Midas. How dare you pull the fire alarm and evacuate the building for no reason? That is it. When the evacuation is over, go to the principal's office. Mr. Peely, we have a student who pulled the fire alarm.
Send him in.
Sit down, Shadow Midas.
So, what have Shadow Midas done, Miss Maven?
Well, when he goes to the bathroom, he snuck off, pulled the fire alarm, causing an evacuation of this building. So Shadow Midas, what are you going to say through yourselves?
I am incredibly sorry for all of these terrible things. I promise I will never do things like that again.
Apology unaccepted. So, unfortunately, we will have to exclude you for 5 weeks. Now I am going to call Midas.
Shadow Midas. What the heck is the matter with you? I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm and caused the evacuation of Pleasant Park High School. Not only that, but I got a call from Mr. Peely that you caused a major evacuation of this building. That is it. You are grounded until your exclusion time is up, and while you are grounded, you will be eating nothing but lumpy potatoes and maggots for every meal. Go to your room, you evil clone of mine. If you do not stop crying like a gosh darn motor car, I am going to use Vyond logic to turn you into one, and give you always a prize in one of Vance's game shows, or the Eliminator.